Hey, welcome back to another YouTube tutorial. In this video, we're going to learn what is Google AdSense and how you can make money out of Google AdSense, because our channel is also earning money out of Google AdSense and our several channels do also. So in this video, we're going to learn everything that is related to Google AdSense. So remember, Google AdSense is the product of the Google itself. It's just a product like AdMob, like YouTube. So Google AdSense is a profile in which the creators make money out of the people who pay Google for running out any ads. So for example, if I want my company's ads to be run on any website or YouTube, I pay Google Ads, and Google Ads indirectly will pay me some percentage through my Google AdSense account. So that's just about Google AdSense. And Google AdSense can be activated in two things. Like we can use Google AdSense in YouTube, or we can use it on website. Firstly, let's talk about YouTube. So how you make money on YouTube. So on YouTube, what happens, anybody that watches your video, first you need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time to cross a limit in which the YouTube will allow the ads to run on your channel. So that way you make a lot of money. So firstly, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time to reach that target, and by then you will earn money. So how you will earn money, it depends on a lot of factors. Especially it depends on country, the type of your audience, and where they're watching from. Because if some of your audience is watching from India, you're probably going to earn less comparatively if somebody is watching from another country like United States, Canada, Australia. That way you are going to make a lot of money. And it also depends on the niche, on the category of your channel. For example, if you have a tech channel, probably you're going to earn a lot of money. But if you have a channel related to animals or simple things that there is no advertisers available for that thing, so probably you're going to make less amount of money comparatively with the other type of channels. Now moving on to other things like, for example, you have got your money and you start earning money. So what happens now? So you make a Google AdSense account when you reach the threshold of YouTube. So when you make a Google AdSense account, we already have a video on how to make a Google AdSense account and how to connect your Google AdSense account with YouTube. Please make sure to watch that, and that would really help you to grow and connect your channel with Google AdSense account in a very simple, easy method. So when you connect your Google AdSense account with your YouTube channel, first you will receive nothing. On the date of every 21st of every month, you will get earning from your YouTube channel to your Google AdSense account. So if you're earning at the first thing at the beginning, your earnings should be above $10. So if they are $10, you will receive a pin on your address which will be mentioned on your Google AdSense account. So you receive that pin, you verify that pin. If you couldn't verify, there are three passes, like 3 times you can apply for that. And even 3 times you didn't receive the pin, then you have to verify through your ID card or your driving license, anything that makes sure that you are a real person. So when you are confirmed with who you are, now it's time to earn and cash out your money. So how are you going to cash out your money? The first thing you need is your Google AdSense account must have above $100. So if you have above $100, then you are going to possibly extract money from your Google AdSense account. And how is that possible? There are 3 methods you can transfer your money from Google AdSense account to your pocket is through Western Union. That's the easiest way, and that's the fastest way to get money from Western Union. And the second option is via your bank account. That takes 3 to 4 extra days compared to with the Western Union. And if you're going to moving with a check, you're also going to receive a check, but it will take you extra 7-8 days to receive your check. The fastest way is the Western Union. The second fastest is the Google bank account, and the third one, which is the last, nobody uses it actually, is a check. So that is it about with the YouTube. Now if you have a website, so website runs exactly the same way, but the beauty of websites is your earnings will be showing on your Google AdSense account on daily basis, which means because in YouTube's it shows on every end of 21st of every month, but on the website it shows every day. So for Google AdSense, it's very much easy for websites, to connect. And we also have a video on how to connect your Google AdSense with the website. And please make sure to watch that video and make sure to subscribe to this channel. We will see you on the video. Keep visiting Tides Schooling.